It all starts here in Marysville, Kansas, where Landau Corporation has been building traveling axle trailers since 1969 and has built over 27,000 trailers to date. Take a journey with us to see exactly how we do this and put out the best possible product we can for our customers. Landau trailer production starts in the engineering department. Pro-E modeling is used to design the entire trailer from the smallest piece part to the final assembly drawings that detail everything needed to produce the finished trailer. From there, the component parts are released to the manufacturing floor to be produced on state-of-the-art equipment. Webs and flanges exceeding 40 foot in length are cut with high-definition plasma out of top-quality 80,000 and 100,000 yield steel, produced in the USA. The beam parts are then shot blasted clean and formed to produce finished parts to match print specifications. The main beams, which are the backbone of the Landau trailer, are welded in one of several automated beam welding machines to produce high-quality continuous welds for both aesthetics and structural integrity. Once the main beams have been produced, the inner beams are loaded into a Landau precision welding fixture that will clamp the beams to ensure straightness to within 1/8 of an inch, and will also consistently locate the roller pockets for proper undercarriage travel after final assembly. Once the beams have been clamped into place, the remaining components are inserted and welded into place to complete the tack-up of the trailer frame. The tacked-up frame is then moved to one of several final weld-up bays to have the outer beams and all the other remaining components welded into place to complete the trailer frame. The goosenecks, undercarriages, and tails for Landau trailers are produced with similar process as the main frame. Most of the subcomponents for these items are cut on high-quality plate lasers and tube lasers using only top-quality made-in-the-USA steel. Precision tooling is used on CNC press brakes for any parts that require forming to ensure consistently produced parts. Landau precision welding fixtures are used to locate all of the components to produce a consistent product every time. Many of the weldments used to manufacture Landau trailers are produced on robotic welding stations utilizing some of Landau's 30-plus robotic welding arms. Roller pockets for the beams, undercarriage rails, gooseneck beams, undercarriage crossmembers, bumpers, ramps, and tails are just a few of the many items that are welded robotically using Landau precision fixtures. All robotic fixtures used to produce these parts are designed on Pro-E software by Landau engineers and built by Landau's world-class tooling staff. Landau trailer frames are then shot blasted again to remove all remaining rust, oils, and other contaminants. Depending on the options selected by the customer, the frame is then either sent out for hot dip galvanizing or is powder coated in Landau's state-of-the-art powder paint system. If the trailer is galvanized, the frame can be painted with high-quality automotive finish to match the customer's specifications. Frames that are powder coated receive a base coat of zinc-rich primer with a top coat of high-quality TGIC polyester powder paint. Component parts for Landau trailers are powder coated on an automated paint line using the same top-quality primer and top coat as the frames are painted with. After the frames and components are painted, Landau trailers are ready to be assembled. The undercarriage is the heart and soul of the Landau trailer and is a complex assembly that contains many component parts. Air lines and fittings, air tanks, grease lines, electrical harnesses, axles, ABS systems, bumpers and lights, and tires are some of the components that are installed on the undercarriage frame during this stage of the assembly. The trailer frame is put into an overhead assembly stand where assemblers install the electrical harnesses, hydraulic lines, air lines, hydraulic cylinders, and other components that are assembled to the underside of the trailer. Once the trailer frame and undercarriage have been through the first stage of assembly, the frame is then lifted out of the overhead assembly stand and is staged into the undercarriage assembly. Assemblers connect the hoses, harnesses, and cylinders on the undercarriage to the trailer frame. The winch cable, work lights, decals, toolbox doors, and other components are then installed on the top side of the trailer. The trailer is now ready for final testing to ensure that all functions of the trailer operate properly. A light check system is used to verify that the air system, ABS system, and lighting systems all function correctly and have no leaks or short circuits. The trailer is then cycled numerous times to verify that all hydraulic functions operate correctly. All inspection information and serial numbers of critical components are documented on final inspection check sheets for verification and tracking purposes. After the trailer has been functionally tested and fully inspected, the trailer moves to the wood decking station to have the wood deck installed if so equipped. The wood is cut to the proper length and has ends treated to prevent splitting. The wood is then placed on the trailer and is drilled and screwed down onto the cross members at the appropriate spacing. After the deck is fully fastened down, a coat of wood preservative is applied to the entire deck. The Landau trailer is now finished and ready to go to work. It is ready for shipment to the customer, where our trailers are featured in a variety of industries. They will be put to the test in the most extreme conditions. Our duty as a company extends well beyond the sale of the trailer. The Landau Parts Distribution Center is set up with over 30,000 parts and services Landau products in over 50 countries. We understand it's our duty to stand behind our Landau trailers before, during, and after the sale. Ultimately, Landau customer service and commitment to high-quality products is what sets Landau apart from the competition.